Hello Studio Squad, welcome back to Kiata Studio. In this video, I am creating a mixed media painting while telling you some useful art tips that my professors have taught me. I am so glad to be back in my art studio today. Always put my signature on the front of my artwork. I hear some artists saying that they don't want to put their signature on the front of their artwork because they feel like it may mess up their artwork, but my professors told me to proudly display your signature on the front of your artwork. One professor even told me don't put it on the edge somewhere, put it in the middle of your artwork. Make sure that you claim everything that you do and be proud of it. As an artist, you must know the elements of art and principles of design because they are the fundamentals of art and design. It is important that you apply this to your artwork. You can also put a spin on it and have fun in your own style. Use the color wheel. The color wheel is an arrangement of colors in a circle which many artists in different fields use. Interior designers, hairstylists, makeup artists use the color wheel. I even use the color wheel in my fashion design classes. Using the color wheel will allow an artist to identify which colors look great with each other and which colors complement each other, and best of all, which colors they can mix together to get other colors. While in color theory class, our professor taught us that certain colors evoke certain emotions. Use a palette knife to mix paint so that I won't mess up my paintbrushes. Start with underpainting. Underpainting is a base layer of paint which will be covered by another layer of paint. Instead of drawing a pencil sketch onto a piece of paper or the canvas, an artist can use underpainting. The underpainting could include the outline as well as the light and dark areas. I usually do underpaintings using a neutral paint color like sienna or umber. Think of it as the foundation. Use more paint because I used to paint thinly. I would even paint acrylics pretty thin on canvas and paper. Draw from life. In one of my studio classes, we actually had live chickens and we had to sketched them while they were actively moving. And this was part of the draw from life lesson. My professor taught us that it is important to draw from life so that we can have more of a realistic piece, so that the value could look better, the form could look better, things of that nature. Use brown to shade instead of black. When I use brown to shade, it looks so much better. And I wish I would have known that before I went to college. Study the masters of art. Some artists that I studied in college are Henry Matisse, Yoko Ono, Pablo Picasso, Carrie Mae Weems, and Jackson. Write notes in my sketchbook. Keep an updated art portfolio because clients want to see my work, and it's good for me to see my artistic journey over time. Take a break. With me personally, sometimes my wrist starts hurting and I just need a moment to step back and take a snack, stretch, have a cup of tea, something, and then after about 10 minutes, return back to my canvas and start painting again. Keep practicing. I use my sketchbook to practice drawing hands in it because I used to struggle with drawing hands. So I made rough sketches in my sketchbook. I also got a wooden doll hand. It is a miniature mannequin hand that I purchased from an art supply store, and I use that to help guide me as well when drawing and painting hands, and now I have improved on it. And if you look at my work, I now have so many paintings and drawings with hands. I'm quite proud of myself. Most importantly, enjoy creating art. For those that haven't joined the Studio Squad yet, make sure that you click the subscribe button. Also, click the bell so that you can get notification whenever I post a new video on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and watch it as many times as you want.